Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So in this session, I will be talking about a trick to find out the parameterization of a line segment in complex plane. Line segment in complex plane. So we will talk about how to find out line segment, parameterization of line segment in complex plane. So we will discuss a way out or a trick to find out the parameterization. So for this, I will consider a line segment with points, let's say x1, comma y1. Of course, this point can be described by complex numbers by x1 plus iota times y1, and this point, which is x2 comma y2, can be defined as x2 plus iota times y2. Now these 2 points, let's say, are making a line segment, and I want to find out the parameterization of this segment. So what I will do, I will first make the equation of line in this case, and how to make equation of line. So you need slope m, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So first you will find out the slope, and with the help of slope you will find out the equation of the segment, which is y minus y1 to be m times x minus x1. From here you can also write y to be m times x minus x1 plus y1. And once you do this, then what you have to do is you have to set x to be t, and in that case your y will be equal to m times t minus x1 plus y1. And of course, because x is running between x1 and x2, so my t will be running between x1 and x2, right? Or I can write this in the complex function, which is going to be x of t, which is t, plus iota times y of t, which is basically m times t minus x1 plus y1, and this is over here, where x1 is running or t is running between x1 and x2. So this is the parameterization of line segment in the complex plane, with t running between x1 and x2. So this is one. This is a kind of one way. There can be other trick as well to find out the equation of a line segment in the complex plane. I'll do an example now without wasting time. The line segment defined by the joined by the two complex number. One is 2 plus 3i and the other one is 5 plus 4i. So like I can label these complex numbers at 2 comma 3 as points and 5 comma 4 as points. So now what I have to do is I have to make the equation of this line segment. For this I need slope. So the slope is y2 minus y1, which is 4 minus 3, divided by x2 minus x1, which is 5 minus 2. In this case I have 1 over 3 as the slope, and in this way my equation will look like y minus y1, which is going to be 3, equal to m, which is 1 over 3, x minus x1 is going to be 2, right? So of course this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. This is my labeling. From here my y will look like 1 over 3 times x minus 2 over 3 plus 3, or I can say that my y is 1 over 3 times x plus of course this is 7 by 3. So since the so I can set now x of t to be t, and in this way my y will be equal to 1 upon 3 times t plus 7 over 3. And don't forget that our t is running between the values of x, which is 2 and 5. So it's running from 2 to 5, right? Or I can write this in the complex function form, which is going to be t plus iota times y, which is 1 over 3t plus 7 over 3, where t running between 2 and 5. So this is going to be the parameterization of the line segment, which is shown over here in the complex plane. Why have we done this? Because sometimes we have to integrate certain functions of complex variables with respect to complex variables on the given line segments. So where because we know that the integrals are defined in the terms of parameterization, so that's why this parameterization of line segment is not less than something good which we need to know. Thank you.